very good morning to all of you. Let's start our chapter Heat. Today we are going to learn about temperature, the different temperature scales, the units of temperature, and how the temperature can be converted from one scale to other. An object becomes hot on heating and becomes cool when it is left at room temperature or we leave it for some time in a refrigerator. We can feel how hot or cold an object is by touching it. But we can only say that something is cold, warm, hot or very hot. We cannot say exactly how hot or how cold it is. So, what is temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Temperature is measured at three different scales. These are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. And how these three scales are different. The melting point of pure ice is taken as the lower fixed point, and the boiling point of pure water is taken as the upper fixed point. And these lower and upper fixed points vary in all the three different scales. So we will study about Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale in detail. Celsius scale. In Celsius scale, the lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius. The upper fixed point is taken as 100 degrees Celsius. The interval between the two fixed points, that is 0 to 100, is divided into 100 equal parts, and each part is 1 degree Celsius. Here you can see in this thermometer also, it is starting from 0 to 10. You can count, there are 10 margins. So it becomes 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Next scale is Fahrenheit scale. In this scale, the lower fixed point is taken as 32 degree Fahrenheit. The upper fixed point is taken as 212 degree Fahrenheit. The interval between the two fixed points, that is from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit, is divided into 180 equal parts. Remember, in Celsius scale it was 100 equal parts. Here it is 180 equal parts, and each part is equal to 1 degree Fahrenheit. Next scale is Kelvin scale. The lower fixed point in Kelvin scale is taken to be 273 Kelvin. The upper fixed point is taken to be 373 Kelvin. For scientific purposes, the absolute or Kelvin scale of temperature is used. The unit of temperature on this scale is Kelvin, which is represented by capital K, and this is also the SI unit of temperature. And 1 Kelvin is equal to 1 degree Celsius. We have seen three different scales to measure temperature. These are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale, and Kelvin scale. Now, according to Celsius scale, the temperature of an object is measured in the units of degree Celsius. It is represented by degree and capital C. It is read as degree Celsius or degree centigrade. Now here in this term, centi means 100, and if you can remember, we have seen in the Celsius scale that the difference or the interval between the lower fixed point and the upper fixed point was 100. Therefore, it is also called as degree centigrade. Then according to Fahrenheit scale, the temperature is measured in the units of degree Fahrenheit, represented by degree capital F. it is read as degree Fahrenheit. In Kelvin scale, the temperature is measured in Kelvin, represented by capital K, which is the SI unit of temperature. We have seen that the fixed points used for the two scales, that is the Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scales, are the same. How? We have seen that the lower fixed point is the freezing point and the upper fixed point is the boiling point. So we can say that 100 degrees on the Celsius scale is equal to 180 degrees on the Fahrenheit scale. And if we talk about the lower fixed point, we can say that 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Therefore, the relationship between the two scales can be given by C minus 0 upon 100 is equal to F minus 32 upon 180. Or we can divide it like this. You must be knowing how to divide. 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 80. And C minus 0 is C. So we can write it as C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 upon 9. You must be familiar with cross multiplication. So we will find out what will be C. So we can write it as C is equal to F minus 32 upon 9 into 5. Or to make it more clear, we can write it as 5 by 9 into F minus 32. So this is the formula to convert a temperature from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Now from this formula only we can find out the formula to convert degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. How? Again by doing cross multiplication. So what can be done? We can write C, first we will take 9, C into 9 upon 5 is equal to F minus 32. Or to find out F, we leave F here only. C into 9 by 5 plus 32. You know this? Here it is in minus. So on the other side it will become plus. So to write it more clearly, we can write it as F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. So this is the formula for the conversion of degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So in this way, we have seen what is temperature, what are the different scales to measure temperature, what are the different units, and now you have learned how to convert temperature from one unit to different unit, from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit or from Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Thank you.